for Tesla. Why did I draw those lines? Oh, because of this. It was holding a support for a long time here, but it broke it. And then Elon Musk, Papi Elon, yo,
Papa Musk, yeah.
Papa Musk, he says, yo, we're gonna follow Apple. Apple has such a run doing the split. Let me do it too, yo. Let me do it too. So,
Hey, don't you want your stock to be worth 2,000 a share though? Instead of what is he doing? 10 to 1?
what for? Bragging rights?
Exactly.
So you're doing 5 for 1, right?
5 to 1.
Yeah. So if you have like 1 share, you would get 5 shares. So if it was like, $1,000, it would be 250. But look at all this volume coming in. This is the money flow indicator for today. Look at that shit. Fucking crossover, huge. Every time it cross over like that, that means we're gonna have a reversal and just continue run. So could Tesla hit that top again? Quite possible. Quite possible. You know that the highest top was at 1794. So let's go over this Tesla split because we actually didn't go over it yesterday. Why are they doing it? They're doing it for the they're doing it for the employees apparently. This one doesn't give good information. Let me find one with all the dates and everything. Okay, so Tesla's gonna do the split, taking effectively August 21st. So that's a Friday after this Friday. And then so that's when they're gonna initiate the split. And starting August 31st, the stock will be like they'll convert everything and stuff. The only thing I'm a little tricky about is that they're doing a split with stock dividend. Like you don't really hear that terminology in the other splits before. I wonder if they're doing it because it's like a tax write off for them too. Because stock dividends are like kind of like payments, right? Like profit sharing. So are they saying like they're paying they're paying these stock out, so therefore they could use it as expense and like a tax write off maybe? It's kind of interesting because usually when they get cash dividend, they're paying off, you know, they're paying to people. So I wonder if people are gonna get taxed more on it too, but they may not know. They might just hear split and be bullish. Yeah, I mean the best way to play it though would be to grab a spread because the premium on Tesla is so expensive. You know that like it's so hard to play. How are you gonna play that, right? So let's say it can run 20%, right? Since most split has been running anywhere from 10 to 20%. So yesterday's close was 1388 times 1.2 for 20%. That's 1665. It what did it close at today? 15 and 1554. So yesterday it closed at 1368 times 1.2. So let's say 1640. That's the target, right? 1640. You would get next week's because that's when they will expire. If 1640 was the target, you want to shoot right under that. Probably 1600 to you can do 1600 to 1620. A debit call spread. It would cost you $5.65 for this play, and If you hold it till the last day and it's over 16.20, you will get paid $20, which is which is $2,000. You're risking $565 for $2,000. If you want to go even more degenerate, you go fucking 1600 to 1640, yo. Because why not? Why not, man? I mean, if all time high on this stock was, say, 1794, right? Why not? Why won't it hit 1794? Mad bullish, yo. Splits. So this is a $900 risk, but the reward is $2,000. Oh no, not 2,000, 4,000. That's huge. You know, think about that. Like $2,000 divided by, let's say, at 900. What is it? 900 divided by. What's the ratio for this? That's almost like 4 point something. Right? It's like 4.5, 1 to 4.5 ratio, give or take. That's pretty big. I might do that tomorrow.
You said V Room reported after hours today?
Yeah.
Down
Yeah.
15%.
1 to 4. So that's the play I would do if I want to, like, if I have like $900 sitting around, I'm mad bullish on Tesla. I just want to see it go. That's the play I would do. And I think that's a pretty reasonable play, man, because look at it. Last time Tesla had that much money flow coming in, you know, it just pumped like straight days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 straight days, man. I think we have at least 4 straight bullish days left in the market, at least. I mean, possibly. Um, and then Tesla also has the battery day coming in too, right? They're gonna apparently people are saying battery days are always mad bullish for Tesla. It's like Amazon Day, it's like Amazon Prime Day, but Tesla battery day.
What's that?
So let me show you. So you know how, like, you know, Amazon Prime has like the Prime Day, right? Everybody gets so excited. Prime stock goes up.
Right, for all these deals and shit like that, right?
Yeah. So Tesla's battery day expand. It's kind of like the investors conference, I believe. It's gonna be a live audience. Expect to be present, though the event will also be live stream.
Oh, is that like when they announce like show off their cars like that? Like how they have like the annual conference?
Yeah,
Oh man. September 22nd. What time? Does it say what time?
doesn't say what time. So
Tesla Global Free. It's being watched by LG. Man, I love watching his shit, yo. When that motherfucker is live, yo, that shit is always entertaining.
I mean, Elon is a genius, man. You know, he was just a genius as a kid. He sat there and he took the EV market to whole new levels. People said, you know, electric vehicle is not going to be a thing. It's not possible. Like GM tried to make an electric vehicle back in like 1989 with the GM Volt, and it got shut down because all the oil company wanted to kill it. The oil company kills so much EV vehicles, but Elon Musk is the only one that like succeeded because he was able to get so much big money behind him. Everybody and their mother was behind him, man. They're like, yo, we believe in this guy, and he took the stock, man, from. Yeah, I remember when I used to be in college and I did a research on Tesla to see what the moat was.
Right.
And you see like what their competitive advantages are and things like that. Back in the day, yo, they were like fucking $25, man. twenty
Isn't
five
that
dollars.
crazy that like Tesla? I mean, he wasn't the face of Tesla back then, but now he is. Like he was just an investor.
Look at this, man. Parabolic Oh, look at this double. Oh shoot! Look at this. This is pretty interesting. So this is like almost like the classic head and shoulder pattern. So you see that shoulder over here? This could be the head. Yo, yo, Len, if Tesla comes back down to 350-ish, would you buy again?
I don't know. It was a pretty painful ride to hold, yo.
I mean, based on this chart, if the market crashes some, they could come back down again. This is classic head and shoulder. Look at how that big run. But
Well,
people,
actually, like 350 or something like that.
yeah, so could come back to 350. Maybe, I mean, maybe we'll take a few shares when the price when that 1 to 5 split happens.
I mean, if I'm buying Tesla, I'm buying it in hundreds. I don't want to do it in like less than hundreds.
Why not, right?
I mean, the thing is, it's the way I'm looking at it is like if I'm buying shares, it needs to be in increments of 100, so I can do the options too.
Yeah.
It's just like if you have the ability, I'm gonna just collect some pennies since I already own the shares. Might as well.
Yeah, but some people just want to buy and hold though, man.
That's true. To their own, really.
Yeah. So looking at the daily chart, Tesla still has a big area to run because the stock is so low. It's just gonna come back into the mid the 20s over here, and it wouldn't be oversold unless it hits like at least to 80. So we still got some room. So for this, let's say last time it was over here, we should be able to hit that high easily. So that target I had before was pretty conservative. Let's see, BYND. I gotta run soon at 5.
Play ball?
Nah, I gotta go to dinner.
Fucking mailman, where it comes from, bro.
Let's see. So Beyond Meat kind of went into the bearish territory. Money flowed out. There's definitely support area here, right? Um, but maybe I would really buy in if it hits 119-ish. That's where I probably get, even though there's support area over here, I would probably want to play at this moving average here. Let me see if there's any news on it. What drives it down? The hell? It went up and down really hard. Creamer pumping it.
Kramer, bye. Oh, I love that stock. Oh, I love that stock.
Oh, I see. Wow. Taking profit, yo.
Fucking Kramer got like the best cocaine plug, bro.
Right? You probably got.
Oh yeah.
I actually saw him one time. When I went to the stock
Yeah,
exchange. When I went to the stock exchange, they actually do the show inside the stock exchange for Creamer.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I wish I.
That's one thing on my bucket list too, yo, to go there and check it out.
I don't think you can go there unless your company is doing it. They don't do
They don't do tours.
they don't do tours. So you got to work for like a Fortune 500 company that has a stock, and then
Yeah.
you got to get invited, because you're a minority and they want to have minorities on TV. So you're gonna get to go.
On a picture and shit like that.
That's the only reason they bought me, man. Because they love minorities,
Alright, what's that?
You either got to be so far high up, or you got to be minority. But a lot of sales. They've been selling a lot of the Beyond Meat. I don't know if this is gonna be the ideal play, but it's kind of interesting. I maybe take a shot at $119, but it looks like it's going to bearish territory. I don't know if it's gonna keep falling down further, with the money flowing out. I mean, but Tesla is definitely something that would play instead if people know how to do call spreads on it. TTD, I love TTD, man. Fucking my favorite stock. Yo, Jimmy, close your eyes and buy TTD.
Got it, boss.
Right? We had a pretty bullish day today. It kind of rejected right here. Came back under the support. The money coming in. I think as long as on the half day chart it looks good. On the half day chart it could do a big pump to maybe like 500 still because the stock is just crossing over and you see it holding this like this big support here well.